Addressing challenges in automotive manufacturing. One of our recent projects required a threefold increase in capacity. This was to be done in a very short span of 2.5 months. The capacity increase meant that both stamping as well as robotic welding capacity needed to be enhanced very rapidly. One of these challenges is capacity ramping up, a good-to-have problem that car makers and suppliers have had to face a lot, especially after COVID. The projects are required to be done in a very short span of time while ensuring that the daily demands of the customer are not hampered when capacity is being increased. We have designed our strategy to achieve the goal. Accordingly, these tasks were carried out internally. To achieve our goal, we first formed a Project CFT cross-functional team with a dedicated program manager. Starting with the basics of APQP, Advanced Product Quality Planning, we first mapped the entire project in the drawing room. We split the project into an interim phase and final phase. To facilitate capacity buildup, tools, fixtures, and equipment were rapidly made and ordered. Layouts were made, improved and executed. Material handling systems were put in place. Work was planned on weekends to ease the burden on production teams. Using principles of industrial engineering, utilities were planned. Line balancing was done. Press capacity was rapidly added. Our team members were stationed at key suppliers to ensure on-time delivery. Having a dedicated project team, with principles of program management and APQP, we ensured the ramp-up was executed seamlessly.